kingdom of God. The kingdom of God is like what? It's like a mustard seed, a very tiny seed, very tiny seed, a garden seed, a herb, and it will grow. The kingdom of God will start very small, and it will grow. It's the kingdom of God will grow. Topic, idea. What idea do you wish everyone in the world can know? What idea do you wish everyone in the world can know? Oh, peace on earth, peace. What is the best idea to tell the whole world? Jesus used many parables, and then privately he explained. Today, at chapel, I am the speaker, and I will tell you about the story. We will save it. This is one of my favorite stories. I will teach you some Japanese. Yes, that's fine. Okay, that's it. We'll stop. Stop there.